Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise is due to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His mercy and blessing. My name is Nurul Putri Utami, and in this video, I would like to explain a map based on several guiding questions in English. After that, I will also share a short story about my hobby as part of English speaking practice. I hope this presentation will be usable and inspiring for all of you in learning English, especially for elementary school teachers. Now, I will explain the map based on the question profit. 1. Is there any public hospital near her? Where is it? Yes, there is a public hospital near her. It is located on Yosudarso Street on the right side of the street, across the street from the drugstore, next to Marta Dinata Street. 2. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is located on the left side of Yosudarso Street, next to the Chinese restaurant. 3. Where is Ramayana department store? The Ramayana department store is on the right side of Yosudarso Street, next to the Chinese restaurant. 4. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, there is a restaurant around here. There is a Chinese restaurant. It is between the National Bank of Indonesia and Ramayana, along Yosudarso Street. 5. Can you tell me where the drugstores are, please? Sure, the drugstore is located on the left side of Marta Dinata Street, between the railway station and the public hospital. 6. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Of course, the railway station is on Yosudarso Street, the left side of Marta Dinata Street, next to the drugstore. Now, I will tell you about my hobby. 1. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. 2. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually read books in the evening after work or on the weekend. 3. What do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, I like to read novels, especially inspirational and educational stories. 4. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, I read it very often because it helps me relax and gain knowledge. 5. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I usually read 4 to 5 times a week. 6. Where do you usually go for recreation? For recreation, I usually go to the library or Euclid Cafe where I can read peacefully. That is all from me about the map explanation and my short story about my hobby. I hope this presentation can be a helpful reference and motivation in learning English. especially for fellow elementary school teachers. Let us keep learning and practicing to become more confident in using English in the classroom. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.